Hi guys, this is Zane, and welcome to Doctor Who Sonic Screwdriver Review. Not the flashlight, the real one. No modifications, no nothing. I found that away. No, I'm just gonna go do everything. So first thing, emitter tip, emitter extending part. That's where the green, the gel comes in. The two buttons. That's to open it, and then that's to turn it on. But right now that doesn't work. You gotta press that, and this is a modification. Or this red button right here. So yeah, and you just push it down like that to close it. And if the battery dies, this is how you do it. Extend it, twist it like this, and then give it a nice tug. And then you got two separate pieces of your sonic screwdriver. This is the part where the battery is on. It takes weird kind of battery that you can that are normally like $6 or something. But it is worth it changing the batteries because batteries last a long time. And it's an awesome thing from an awesome show. And, yeah, put it back together. Do this. Line up, okay, can you see? Okay, you see those two notches in there? Line those grooves in there with the notches. Okay. Push it in there, okay, like that, and then twist it back into place. And, that's pretty much it. Pretty sure, this is the 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. My favorite is the 10th, but I do not have the 10th. So, stuck with this one. It's still pretty cool. The only downside is that this button does not work when it's extended like that. So, in the movie, you can just flick it out and use that button. No, you can either, like I said, you can either press that red button or just reach in there, and it's kind of also hard to do. Press that button. See? Okay, can you guys see that button? Okay, you see that little button, that little black dot? That is what's connected to that. When it's pressed down, that button, that black dot goes under this button, turning it on. I think that's great. I'm also going to show you. See that little part right there? That is what transfers energy from this red button right here to this. So yeah. Simple, it's easy, and it's worth your while. It's worth going through the heartache to do some stuff. Because it has a speaker, it has sounds here. There's the two sounds, this one, and this one. It's kind of a chirp though, but, who cares? So, thanks for 95. Bye bye.